kilometers of it. And just to let you know, this 1.6 kilometers is part of the open space plan for BGC. We have planned 174,000 square meters of open space throughout Bonifacio Global City. That's 12% of our total land area, excluding roads. So if you include roads, that's actually 38% of the total land area is either open space or roads within BGC. And the linear part is about 12% is about 17% of all of our open space. So this is a big chunk of open space that you have right here behind this building. So that's the first reason. Secondly, and this one you will not see, underneath the park is a utility corridor for power cables that will form part of a loop that will connect two of our substations that will provide redundancy to our power supply from Meralco. And thirdly, and this to me is the most important reason why today's occasion is special, the BGC Greenway Park is the result of a collaboration between BGC, the developer, and the BGC community and of you and I. While the easement that is the linear park has been part of the BGC master plan from the very beginning, its construction was planned until a few years from now. Our development plan was to start from the center and progress radially outward. But a clamor from our residential community started a dialogue on advancing its timing. The clamor gathered momentum and culminated with financial support from the community to further improve the amenities of the BGC Greenway. And for that, dear friends, we have to thank Charlie Rufino for initiating and pushing for that dialogue. Thank you, Charlie. I think this is what makes Bonifacio Global City special and different from other townships. It is not the contemporary buildings and structures around us, but the people inside those buildings who go out to enjoy a pedestrian-oriented atmosphere and who are just eager to collaborate with one another. There are no limits to what a community can achieve if developer, companies who do business here, residents who have decided to make BGC their home, and people who visit, dine, and shop here all interact and engage one another. Fortunately, that happens when you have a township that favors pedestrians and strives to create the convivial street life. The BGC Estate Association has a program called BG Citizen that aims to promote activities among BG citizens, and we anticipate to have those activities, many of them along the Greenway. We expect bikers and joggers to frequent this park. And may I also invite you to adopt a park by beautifying parts of the linear park, to add a walkway or pocket here and there, and benches all along the park. We will complete the BGC Greenway in about just a few more weeks' time, and we plan to again celebrate that occasion. Thank you for coming in today.